Hey crowning beauties. So I went to Paris last month and I went there for a friend's wedding, and I brought over a topper from Super Hairpieces because she wanted a little bit of volume at the top of her head for her veil. I came back and I was like, you know what? We need to do a winter bridal wedding video to showcase what our wigs are actually capable of doing. So if you are getting married sometime in the winter, we've got some amazing styles here for you. These are pretty much popular styles that, you know, a lot of women tend to go for. A lot of brides or bridesmaids tend to go for during, you know, a winter cool season. And the biggest thing is usually the accessories that really give that nice kind of bridal look. So I'm gonna start off with this short kind of hair. This one is what we call a short wavy wedding hairstyle with a side clip. So this wig here is the rose. Now this is super easy to achieve. A lot of this is hairspray and lots of curls. So you can see that the curls are very tight near the end. So we do start, well, the stylist did start a little bit from here, and then she created a lot of volume. But what really makes this piece beautiful is the curls, the way it's been parted, as well as that beautiful clip. So if you have short hair, you don't want to add any extra hair, and you love the length of your hair, and you still want to have that perfect bridal look, this is definitely going to be your go-to. It is easy to achieve at home by yourself as well. All right, so now I'm going to pull out the next look. Now I love this look, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks at the back, but I want to talk a little bit about this wig. This is a Selena. And with the Selena, it does have longer hair, so it is about 20 inches of hair length. This specific look is called the textured low bun wedding hairdo. And this will give you a really nice kind of luxurious bridal look. You've got the amazing curls. And because of the 20 inches, it's going to give you enough of that volume at the back to really create such a beautiful kind of look. And then of course, you've got the hair accessories, and the way Tara, our stylist, had styled the front. I really love how that looks. And you can achieve this look with different other wigs that we have. So at Super Hairpieces, you can achieve this look with the Angelina, and pretty much any wigs that have at least about 16 inches of hair length. If you are looking for this kind of updo, the longer the hair, the better, and it gives the stylist some room to be extremely creative and give you that perfect bridal look. Now this style that I'm going to show, a lot of brides tend to go for it, especially during the winter. I do see it happen more in the fall. Now when you look at all these pieces, a lot of them have that, you know, kind of crystal kind of look. Usually the hair accessories really make a difference, especially in whatever season that you are in. So this one is the luxurious long look. And this is done with the Monica wig. Now this one I believe this is the Monica Basic, and this one has 24 inches of hair length. So as you can see here, let me show you. You get that nice long curl. It has a little bit of that waterfall look. So because of the length of hair, it's giving us different dimensions that you know, a stylist can work with. And of course, the hair accessories with the pearl is such a perfect touch for any wedding updo. Now, if you are somebody who likes to have like a side sweep, long kind of look that goes over your shoulders, especially if you have kind of like a tube wedding gown or a tube dress, this is also a very nice look if you were to kind of have it swept over your shoulders. So beautiful look. This has been styled really nicely, and you can achieve so much with this. I love it. It's very classic, so clean. We'll just make everything look so natural. Okay, so I lied. I also have another favorite look. I saved the best for last. I feel like it's a very easy hairdo to do. And with the right accessories, the right curl, the right kind of braids, you can really create such a beautiful classic style. And it just makes everything look so, so nice. But you do need, I mean, you could use it with short hair wigs too, but I feel like this next updo really requires some length, just so that, you know, the stylist has some room to kind of work with, especially when they need to do the braids. All right, so this look I love. Now, again, if you are looking for long length kind of look, I love this, very classic. I feel like it's very easy to do, to be honest. This wig specifically is the Maya. This is about 20 inches of hair length. Now, this piece is beautifully curled and we see the nice braids at the sides and at the top as well. Really styled nicely. And then with this base specifically, the Maya, you can have like that center part to give this nice kind of back look with the braids. If you don't like to have such a straight part or are afraid that the hairline might show, you can always do like little kind of curls at the front, little strands of curls at the front. But this is so beautiful. I feel like with any wigs, even with a topper, if you have a topper that, you know, you would like to have this look, you can achieve that, and you can have that curled with your natural bio hair. So that's pretty much the type of looks that you could achieve with a lot of our wigs. So if you are, you know, experiencing hair loss and you are looking for ways to really look beautiful on your wedding day or even as a bridesmaid, I know pictures are so important to have. You can definitely look at these alternative solutions, especially with wigs. There's just so much hair that you could work with and achieve whatever bridal look that you want. If you are looking for that winter inspired look, I really hope you guys like a lot of these styles. But yeah, let me know which one you like the most. I love them all, but if you want something simple, I love this look as well as the first one. Very simple to do the curls. If you want more of something luxurious and kind of really, you know, creative, then the other two is also really nice to have as well. But yeah, if you like these types of videos, please comment down below. Let me know so I can create more of these. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat.